Why meal prep matters.
Meal prepping isn't just for fitness enthusiasts or busy parents. It's a smart strategy for anyone seeking nutritious, stress-free meals. By planning ahead, you save time, reduce daily food decisions, and limit unhealthy takeout. This video reveals simple ways to prepare a week's worth of healthy meals in just 10 minutes, making nutritious eating accessible for even the busiest schedules.
Plan simple, balanced meals.
Start with easy, nutritious recipes that don't require hours in the kitchen. Choose a protein, whole grain, and plenty of colorful veggies for each meal. For example, mix cooked quinoa with canned beans, chopped vegetables, and a light vinaigrette. Planning with staples means you're ready to assemble balanced bowls or salads quickly without sacrificing taste or nutrition.
Batch and shortcut ingredients.
Use pre-cooked or pre-cut ingredients to speed up your prep. Rotisserie chicken, microwavable grains, and bagged salad greens are all excellent choices. Drain and rinse canned beans or lentils for extra protein. These shortcuts allow you to mix and match fresh combinations, dramatically cutting down prep time while still ensuring your meals are wholesome and satisfying.
Portion and store efficiently.
After assembling your meals, pack them in individual containers for grab-and-go convenience. Clear, stackable containers keep your fridge organized and your portions controlled. Add condiments or dressings in small jars to keep everything fresh longer. With everything pre-portioned, you spend less time thinking about meals during the week and more time enjoying them.
Stay consistent and flexible.
Consistency is key, but flexibility keeps meal prep enjoyable. Switch up sauces, seasonings, or side items each week to avoid boredom. Take a few minutes at the start of each week to review your schedule and adapt your meal plan if needed. With practice, prepping healthy, delicious meals in 10 minutes will become a quick, rewarding routine.